This is no doubt the pinnacle of racing here at the Lindy 500. I could not be more excited to be joining you today in this booth.
Okay, we're going to get the satellite feed going. And they're off.
And here we go. England getting off to a very strong start. The looks maxing clean. Now finally moving forward.
There we go. We got some manual turnaround.
But still a common
Wait a minute. Looks maxing is doing its own steering. Really, security very tight, Bob. So neither the contractor nor the contractee knows what they're building or what its purpose is.
I'm sure, Bob, that its purpose and what it's been placed here to do is race.
Well, we'll see about that.